Hey guys, my name is Natalie, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to present duct cleaning options inside the TheNewFlatRate. This is specifically for when you're in the home, you've identified duct issues, and you need to confidently show options the right way without winging it. We're going to walk step by step inside the app so you know exactly where to go and how to position it. Now, let's jump into it. Before we get into the app, let's talk about why this matters. A lot of techs either forget to bring up duct cleaning, mention it casually without showing options, or they just give a price verbally. And that's leaving money on the table. Duct cleaning and renovation is an indoor air quality conversation. When you show it properly with the TheNewFlatRate, customers understand it better and say yes more. The key is not selling duct cleaning, the key is presenting solutions professionally. You bring this up when you notice things like excessive dust buildup, poor airflow, older duct systems, visible debris, mold concerns, customer complaints about allergies or indoor air quality. If you're already in a building science or IAQ conversation, this fits naturally. Don't force it, but when you see it, show it. Now, let's get into the app. All right, here's exactly where you go. Inside the app, start with the Building Science IAQ module. From there, you have two different pages, depending on what you're addressing. Option 1, duct renovation. If you're dealing with duct damage, airflow issues, or actual renovation work, you'll go to IAQC duct renovation/replace. Then select IAQC duct renovation. This is for when the duct system itself needs improvement, modification, sealing, or renovation. This is more structural. Now, option 2, duct cleaning and sanitization. If the duct system is structurally fine, but it's dirty, contaminated, or needs cleaning, then you'll use IAQC 11 duct cleaning and sanitization. It's that easy, guys. So when do you choose a higher level? Now, here's something important. Level 1 is your starting point, but that doesn't mean it's always the right fit. There are times when you should move up to a higher level. Here's some examples of how you can know. 1, you don't have all the tools at the ready on your truck. 2, you know the job is going to take way longer or a little bit longer than what level 1 actually allows. And 3, you know the Band-Aid price on level 1 won't cover the job's cost. Now, let's talk about how you actually say this. Don't say, "Do you want your ducts cleaned?" Instead, go through the TNFR script. I know you know it already, so I'm not gonna go through it here, but it's easy to find all our scripts listed in our app. On the left-hand bar, you'll see scripts listed there. Click it and go ahead and get the demand service script memorized. Next, all you need to do is simply turn the tablet over to the customer and let them decide. Let the menu do the heavy lifting. You're not convincing, you're not explaining. Even older homeowners appreciate when it's organized, it's clear, and they see that they have choices. And remember, TNFR is built around 5 options for a reason. When you present options properly, you remove pressure, you increase ticket averages, and you improve trust. This is about professionalism, not pushiness. Okay, now here's where I see techs messing up. They apologize for the price. They over-explain. They skip it entirely because they assume the customer won't buy. Guys, don't decide for the customer. Your job is to present solutions and let them decide. If they say no, hey, that's fine. But if you never show it, guess what? You guarantee to know. And hey, if you are ever unsure, please give our tech support line a call. They're there 24/7, ready to help you. So again, let's go through it. For renovation, it's the Building Science IAQ module, IAQC ductwork renovation/replace. And for cleaning, it's the Building Science IAQ module, IAQC 11 duct cleaning and sanitization. Use the right page based on what you found in the home. If you want a full walkthrough of navigating the app and building options more efficiently, go watch our video called How to Use the TheNewFlatRate app. That one breaks down the ab structure so you can move faster and present smoother in the home. As always, if you need any help, we're here to support you, so please reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching this video. And hey, what should we do?